Hey guys, it's Cody with American Pool and Spa. Today we're going to talk a little bit about pool closings. So for an in-ground pool closing, the things that need to be done are clearing your underground lines out, applying antifreeze, installing the Gizmo and the skimmer, and draining all your equipment. So right now out here, we're at a in-ground vinyl liner pool that we just closed a little while ago. Now during the pool closing process, there's quite a few things you need to take care of, and we can do all of it for you. First and foremost is getting the water drain down a little bit below the skimmer. You want to try to minimize water that gets in your skimmer during the winter months. Afterward, we blow the lines out, clear water out of the underground plumbing. You don't want that to freeze and burst on you during the winter. Draining the equipment, that's going to be draining out your pump, your filter, making sure they're clear of water so they don't freeze and expand. Applying antifreeze to the pump and to the underground lines as well to help prevent icing over. And in the skimmer we'll put what's called a Gizmo. It's this device that screws into the bottom opening of your skimmer. So if water does get in there and freezes and expands, instead of cracking the skimmer, it's going to crunch down on the Gizmo. We'll also remove any ladders, handrails, any attachments like that. Also, we apply the closing chemicals, which involves a shock, an algicide, and a water conditioning chemical to help protect your equipment and your liner through the winter months. We'll get your cover back on, raise the grommets for them, the anchors for an in-ground pool's cover. So if you have any questions about a closing or like to schedule one with us, don't hesitate at all. We like to get everyone took care of, get everybody closed down properly. That way the opening season of spring 2019 goes swimmingly. Again, this has been Cody with American Pool and Spa. You know the motto by now, leave it to us to swim and relax.